Hey guys, good day. I hope you've been good. Welcome back into Crypto Smart Analyst. So today we're going to be talking about the CSTP tool. That's a Crypto Smart Analyst trading tool and how to use it profitably. Okay, I've actually outlined different topics. The candlestick work, yeah. So this module is going to be in different sections. You're going to learn about the candle color, how to use it, the candle close, and the moving average line. Yeah, you're going to learn about arrows. You're going to learn about the extreme indicators. Basically, I'm going to be talking about risk management strategies that you can also use in your trading, and how to know if the support breaks, how to know when the support has broken. Then from the latest version, I've also included an indicator that actually help you. That's these indicators here, this green and the red, this cloud here. I call it heat map here, that actually help you indicates how when the market is going to it is support or resistance. Yeah, it indicates support and resistance when the market is resistance and when the market is support. So sometimes support get broken, and also at mostly, like we said, you buy at support, you sell at resistance. That's if you're shorting. Then also it helps you. I'm going to explain how to identify fake pumps, and also when the market is manipulated, trading a manipulated market, how to trade a manipulated market. So those are the 10 things you're going to be learning from this module. So but today, right now, we're going to be talking about the candle color, so specifically on the candle color. So let's dive in. On the candle color, yeah, if you know, conventional candle colors is blue and is green and red. That's conventional candle color. Okay, if I disable the indicator right now, you see the normal candle color is green and red. So but with the CSTP tool, it actually gives you more insight about the market. Anybody coming to this chat right now will get confused about what is possibly going to happen in the market sometimes, especially for those that really don't understand chart analysis or understand think analysis. Yeah, so that is one of the advantage of the Crypto Smart Analyst tool. Yeah, that's the CSTP tools. So enabling it right now, you see more color. You're seeing on the candle. I'm only focusing on candlestick because we're only talking about candle color right now. So we have the blue and we have the white in addition to what we have right now. And with each of the major color you can see is the blue and the white. Yeah, you see blue, you see white. Now each of this candle color indicates something. When you see blue, it means bullish. Like I said in the previous video, bullish means buy, bullish means long, bullish means green. Yeah, it means upward. Yeah, bullish. So when you see red or you see white, that means bearish. That is bearish sentiment. And like I said, each of the blue candles and the red candle indicates sentiment in the market. When there's high volume, when the sentiment in the market is high and the potential for the market to go upward is very high, that is when you see a blue candle. And mostly when you see a blue candle with a green wick, that is this line, that's this shadow. We call it wick or shadow. Yeah, I call it wick, right? I can use wick or shadow. So when you see a blue candle with a green wick, that's an indication that the price has a potential of going upward. Like I said, potential of going upward. Yeah, now you need to wait for the next candle after it to be able to confirm. And from our my last video, I talked about the implication of this moving average line. Okay, I'm going to be talking about that in the next video. But the blue means bullish, the red means bearish, the red and the white means bearish, while blue and green means bullish. Now if you have a blue candle with a red wick, indication is the market is bullish but with a bearish sentiment. That is, the market has a potential of coming downward. Most times it is best for you not to decide once you see that. You need to wait for this next candle to close. If the next candle is a red candle, that means the market is bearish, but you need to wait for it to close below this line before you decide the direction of the market. So next video I'm going to be talking more about the moving average line and the implication of the candles. So please ensure you watch all the videos to be able to have concrete understanding about how this tool works and how you can use it to benefit yourself in trading. So like I said, I'm only going to be talking about the blue candles, the candle colors right now. So we have the blue candle with green wick. That's an indication that the market is bullish. And we have the blue candle with a red wick. That's an indication that the market is bearish. The market is bearish. That is downtrend. So when you have a red candle, is also bearish. When you have a green candle, is also bullish. But when you have a blue candle with a green wick, it's the indication that the market is bullish. That is, there's high volume and sentiment to go upward is very, very high. The volume is also available. The smart money are in the market, basically. That's what it's telling you. But when you have a but by the time you have a blue candle with red wick, it's always telling you, it's already indicating a manipulation. That is, the volume is still high, but a lot of traders have been trapped. The market is going to possibly dump. And if you look at what happened after now looking at the type of candle it is this one was a bullish engulfing because it closes below the previous candle. That's the indication that the direction of the market is downtrend. If this next candle, this green candle, closes at above 50% of this previous candle, yeah, if this green closes above 50% of this candle, then we can say it's going up. But because it did not, the market is still downtrend. At least you need to have about 3 candles that will close above 50% of this candle for you to say it's bullish. But as long as that did not happen, the market is downtrend. That's basically candlestick psychology. Okay. So I think. And for red, talking about white candles, once you see a white candle indication, right? Actually, when you're seeing a white candle indication, you see white with a red wick. That's an indication the market is bearish. That is, the market is bearish. Now you need to wait for the next candle to close. So we have candle open, we have candle high, we have candle low. That is the highest, the opening price. We have OHLC. That is open, high, low, and close. That is the opening price, the highest price, the lowest price, and the closing price. That is what determines the shape of each of this candle. So when you have a white candle like this, you need to wait for the next candle to close. Now like this, you need to, like I said, it brings you about the implication of the moving average line. So we're looking at the red candle to close. This one closed as red, indicating that it's still bearish. But if you look at this candle, we have a white candle. We have a white candle with green wick. That is still an indication of a bearish sign. As long as it's white, it's still bearish. Even if it's green, it is an indication of bearish until it closes above this line. If it closes above this line, then it can actually start talking about it being bullish. But else, it is bearish. So this is more or less an indication of a what's called bull trap or a fake pump. So if you look at what happened after it, we have a doji and the market continued downtrend. So if you go back trend, go back to all chart, this is the way you're going to see it on every chart. So that is it. Look at what happened here. We have a bull. This was white and it was green, white with green wick, indicating that it's a fake pump. But like I said, you need to wait for the next candle to close, which is this one. The next candle that closed above the yellow line, indicating what bullish movement. Even though we had a reversal doji right now, but the doji did not close. The next candle after the doji did not close below this line, indicating bull trend. And if you look at the arrow, indicating the market is uptrend. So that is it about candle color.